Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Naomi Boyer. In this video, we're gonna do an unboxing showing you what's in my fall box from FabFitFun. I did partner up with FabFitFun for this video. They have just released their fall box, and in case you're not familiar with FabFitFun yet, they are a seasonal subscription box with full-size fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle products that comes out 4 times a year. Each box is only $49.99, but they each have over a $200 value. And if you use my code Naomi10, you get $10 off your very first box. They are available in the US, Canada, as well as the UK. I also love that each season they partner with different charities as well as female-founded companies. They also now let you customize your box, and I did that, so I'm gonna show you guys what's in my box. So be sure to sign up because it's a really great deal so you don't miss out on getting to customize your own box. All right, so let's get started. So this is what the fall box looks like, and I love how they always make each box look so pretty and creative. It makes it really exciting, and then down here it'll show you which charity they partnered with. This time it's the City of Hope. So let's just open this bad boy up. Snapshot of everything in it. So you really do get full-size products, and you get to try out new brands and new stuff that you probably have never heard before. Or you probably get to try new stuff from your favorite brands as well. So first thing I'm going to show you, I got to customize this. I chose this myself. This is the Detox Pads by Nassif MD. So this is what the Detox Pads look like, and then I'm gonna open it up. I like pads like this just because it's really easy. It's already soaking in the product and you just put it on your face. So this one is a complexion perfecting pad. It has alpha beta hydroxy, and it basically improves your complexion. All right, so the next item, it actually looks like honeydew, but these are exfoliating sugar cubes by Harper and Ari. They look like they're gonna smell so good. Oh yes, they do. So this is literally what the sugar cubes look like. I know we always like to exfoliate our face, but we forget to exfoliate our body as well, removing like the dead skin and stuff. So I always love a good exfoliator. You basically massage a cube over your skin and you focus on like rough patches and things like that. So I'm excited to try that. Our next we have a body souffle. This one is by Humankind. It is vegan and cruelty free, so some of you guys may really like that. So let's just try a little bit. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay, there's not that much smell. It's very, very light. So it says it's naturally derived, but it also feels very, very moisturizing. There you go. That's how it looks on my hand. This hand versus this hand with nothing on it. Also not thick and not greasy, which is super important for me. All right, next up we have some earrings. These are by Bauble Bar. These are super, super pretty. I think these are called ear climbers, but I love Bauble Bar. They have really great jewelry. Don't really have anything like this in my closet, so this is gonna be a really nice addition. And then next up, we have a roller ball. This one, I actually already tried this one out. I rolled it on just like my pulse points right here. And then you just kind of like breathe it in a couple times and it just helps you relax. It has that like typical aromatherapy smell, which I actually really, really like. And I think this is just good to have any time of the day. We're always so stressed out. Okay, next up, we have Damage Ready Daily Hair Repair, Instant Visible Repair. This is by Aveda. This is what that one looks like. So let me just read it. It says, shake well, work a small amount of product in hands, and then apply it through damp hair and then comb. So it's kind of like a heat protectant, and it also repairs damaged hair. So let's just see the consistency of this one. So it just looks like that. This is definitely something I need, especially since I color my hair and I style it a lot. And then we have a hair towel. I chose this one myself. This one's by the brand After Spa. So this is what the hair towel looks like. It has a button on it. So you basically wrap your hair like you would a normal towel, and then you can actually hook it on there. And it's super lightweight, it's not gonna hurt your neck, and it's supposed to dry your hair a lot faster too, absorb the water, which by the way, if you're a woman and you're not using a hair towel like this one, you need to try it. So customize your box and get this in your box if you can. Don't forget my code Naomi10, but this one is very, very life-changing. All right, last but not least, we have something by Amika. I know Amika is a hair tools product or just hair care product in general. Let's see. All right, we got a flat iron. I love this color, nice coral color right here. So as you guys can see, you really do get full-size products like this thing right here, all across the board, from skincare to fashion to beauty. So this is great. So again, don't forget to sign up quickly for the box so that you don't miss out on customizing your favorite products. And if it is your first time trying out the box, you can get $10 off if you use my code Naomi10. I will leave all the information down in the description box below for you guys. Don't forget, before you leave, to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can follow me on Instagram. I'm at Naomi Boyer. And again, thank you so much for watching and spending your time with me. I'll see you in my next video.